Okay, this is the Electromagnetic Field Lab. So I asked you to have 4 bolts ready. This bolt has 50 turns of a copper wire around a bolt, 100 turns, 150 turns, and 200 turns around a bolt. Okay, the other thing I told you to do is make sure that you sand the ends, because when you buy magnet wire, it has insulation. It's red on it, and it may not feel like insulation, but it's a painted on insulation. So you need to sand off the ends so you get copper exposed wire. And you might have to sand it recently, right before you go to test it, because then you get a really good contact with your battery. So you're going to use a battery, and you're going to dunk it into a bowl full of paper clips, and then you're going to count how many you have when you come out. I've already done the first row for you. That's 50 with this bolt. I tested it. I got 85 paper clips, 81 paper clips, 88 paper clips, 86 paper clips, 89 paper clips. I did 5 trials so that I could figure out an average. As you notice, they're not exactly the same every time. So you take your average and 86 paper clips. So now we're going to do the 100. Okay, we now have the 100 turned bolt. I'm holding my battery and it's already getting warm. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 turns. As you see when they come up, it's an interesting little pattern. See, they kind of form the same pattern as you'd see in electronic field. I can let go of one side and boom, they all fall. Okay, so we're going to count all of these and I'll be right back. Okay, I added that up and we had 98 paper clips. I'm going to go ahead and do this 4 more times and fill in the numbers and go ahead and show them to you. Okay, I've done all 5 trials, so I have 98, 99, 105, 93, 97. You can see that we don't have any that match. However, they're all within a certain range. Go ahead and find the average by adding those all up and dividing by 5, because we did 5 trials. Okay, find the average. I'm going to go ahead and do the 150 winds or turns. The first time we did it, I did it with one of my classes, we got 115. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. Okay, so this is the 150. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 turns and pull it up. You can see, again, that U shape from the magnetic field that's created with the electromagnet. And I'm going to drop it. And once you let go of that electricity, all of the clips drop because the magnetism is gone. And we'll go ahead and count. Okay, so I have done all 5 trials for the 150 turns. I have 115, 119, 123, 114, and 121. Go ahead and add those 5 numbers up, divide by 5, and write your answer right in there. And I'm going to go ahead and do the 200 turns. Okay, this is what it looks like to do the 200 turn bolt. 1, 2, 3. Pull it up. And we have a really nice collection of paper clips there. Drop them down. And I'll proceed to count those as well.